Now that we've created some forms and quizzes, let's look at sharing them and making templates for others to use. When you open your Forms dashboard, you're given a list of all your recently used forms. If you go to the bottom, you can click the link to show more, and then you'll see all of your forms. These are in alphabetical order, so you may want to use the ellipses to organize them. When you choose the ellipses, you can move it into a group to be easily found later. You can also favorite it. Let's go ahead and open one and look to share it. You can see here that my form is created previously by me for one of my math lessons. Now that I'm in the teacher dashboard, where I can see all of the responses and questions and edit them, I want to use the ellipses at the top right-hand corner. You'll see one of my options is to collaborate or duplicate. Duplicate works best if you have similar forms and you just want to change a few questions or answers. The other option is to collaborate or to create a template. First, when we choose collaborate, we have some options. Here I can change the permissions of my form. I can either choose a link to anybody in our organization, or I can choose specific people to send it to. If I choose specific people, simply start by typing their name, and Microsoft will generate a list of people to choose from. You'll see their icon listed here as someone who has permission to access the form. Here, you can see I also have a link to be able to email this to somebody who I'd like to help collaborate with my form, leave me feedback, or maybe edit things. When I want to get rid of this link, I simply choose the trash can, and now that form is no longer accessible by the person that I've given permission to. If I need a new link, I simply choose Get Link to view and edit. One of the most useful options we have is to share as a template. This creates a duplicate for anybody that I send this form to, and they can now make it their own. I can simply copy the link and then email it. Once I've selected copy, I can then go to my email, create a new message, and send this link to anybody that I would like. When they open the link, it will automatically create a duplicate template and put it into their Forms dashboard. When I paste the link in the message, all the person has to do is click on the link and it will create the duplicate in their Forms dashboard. Then they will have access to the data that they retrieve from their students, and they can make the form their own.